Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial, we are diving into the fascinating world of Adobe Photoshop and exploring a powerful feature that is generative fill by Photoshop. Get ready to unleash your imagination as we dive into the realm of generative arts and witness the magic of creating mesmerizing design. So let's get started. Well, with Adobe Photoshop's generative fill, you can transform your creative visions into reality. And by using the power of AI, you can create anything that you want. I have this Photoshop beta version. You can select about Photoshop and you can see there's Adobe Photoshop beta version and it's a 24/7 release. So we will be using this. I have this blank canvas with me and here I'll select the lasso tool. I'll just create a circle. And here I have this option for generative fill. When I click on it, you can describe what you like to generate or feel free to leave this blank if you want to remove anything from the page. I'll be writing a bowl full of red cherries. Just click on generate and wait for the magic. Great, isn't it? You can use these arrow keys to see the next variation. Wow, this one is great, isn't it? Well, these are not the perfect one, so there's always a room for improvement. Now let's move on to the other pictures. I have this image with me. I'm going to this right here. I have this here. Select the crop tool and increase size from here and from here as well. Just a little bit from here and a little bit from this side. Now use the rectangle tool. Use all of these sides. And then click on generative fill. Just leave it empty and click on generate. Now let's see the magic. Wow, this is so great and impressive. You can also make some of the variations by using this option. Well, let me close this one. And let's add another picture here. Well, I have this image. What I'm going to do with this picture, I'm going to remove this subject from the picture. For that, I'll be using the lasso tool and make a rough selection. And then on the generative fill, I'm not going to write anything and click on generate. And voila, the subject is now removed from your picture. You can also select this. And here write the snow, the mountains, click on generate. Wow. You can select the variations from here. These are just mind-blowing. Here, as you can see, this is done very well. Yeah, this is great, right? First, we have removed this subject, and then we added this layer of the mountains. With generative fill, you can elevate your design to new heights. From digital illustrations to backgrounds, this feature unlocks a world of inspiration and allows you to bring your artistic visions to life. Congratulations on mastering the art of using generative fill in Adobe Photoshop. If you have any questions regarding this, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, make sure to leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.